Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 Harley-Davidson FREEWHEELER. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 1,402 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, the rear left at 1030 seconds, and the rear right at 930 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There's a scratch on the left side of the rear fender. This trike has an owner's manual, 2 keys, and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and a keyless ignition. It's been upgraded with a Harley-Davidson primary cover, horn cover, shifter peg, Cobra exhaust, aftermarket smoked front turn signals, engine guard, mid-frame heat shields, axle caps, and an open stage 1 intake. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.